If while you're flying your German municipality or Wangerooge island flag, you notice that your rope on the flagpole, or flag staff, is beginning to fray, well, the first thing is not to panic and breathe. All is going to be okay, because on this video, Mr. P, that's me, is going to show you how you can replace your rope in 7 easy steps. So let's get started. Step 1. You'll need to buy a new replacement rope or halyard, which you can get from most good flag shops or DIY stores, or indeed via this internet thing. I found a rather useful website called Amazon you might like to try. Other sales websites are of course available. Once your rope arrives, it's imperative you waste 0 time in replacing that rope, because if you delay, the rope could snap, and before you know it, your Wangerooge is halfway across the Atlantic. Unwrap your rope and dispose of the packaging wisely. We've only got one planet. Step 2. Lower your Wangerooge flag and remove. Then make sure that there are no obstructions like additional snap hooks that are between you and the pulley. Step 3. Either find the original end of the rope or simply cut the old rope. But whatever you do not let go of the rope. Otherwise you might find it disappearing up and over the pulley, and then you're in a whole load of problems. There's a helpline for that scenario in the description below if that should happen. Step 4. So now we have a clean piece of old rope. Tape that to the pole so you don't lose it. And now the clever part. Get some more tape to connect the new rope to the old rope. Make the connect as smooth as you can, or glatt wie ein Babypupu, because the next one is going to blow your mind. Step 5. Old rope, new rope. Tangled and bright. One's worn and frayed, the other's a sight. The old rope has stories, it's weathered and grey. The new rope is shiny, still perfect today. Dr. Zeus, if he'd written old rope, new rope of course. Now, carefully hoist up the rope, and when you get to the top where the pulley is with the tape, be gentle and careful and take your time, as if you're trying to woo that one person you've had a crush on for 3 years and they haven't even noticed you yet. Sorry, where was I? Oh yes, you don't want the tape to come apart from the rope, otherwise we're back to calling the emergency line again. Finally, when the tape comes down and back around, you can keep pulling so you have plenty of new rope thread through the pulley. Step 6. Remove the old rope and tape. Now we just have new rope. Simply tie the 2 ends together. First a simple square knot, then take the 2 loose ends and tidy those round the main rope, like thusly. Thusly is not used nearly enough in present day. Step 7. Replacing the snap hooks. You'll need to make sure you have the outside of the rope from the flagpole, then pull the rope so the knot reaches the back of the pulley. I'm now holding the part of the rope that I want to add the snap hooks. This means that when I hoist my flag, the knot is at the bottom and won't take the strain of the rope in the wind. Clever, eh? Now pay attention here on how best to add the snap hooks, as your flag depends on it and will thank you later. Double the rope, feed the loop through the snap hook and fold it back over itself. Easy. The wind will kindly tighten that for you over time. Isn't Mother Nature kind? The second should be about 3 foot if you're in America, or 90 centimeters for the rest of the planet down, depending of course on which size your flag is, and repeat. And there you have it, all done. No need to climb ladders or sit on your tall neighbour's shoulders to try and reach the pulley. Your feet never leave the ground. There's never any breeze when you need it. Or if you have a flagpole like mine, you can simply pull it out of the ground and feed it through that way. And if this is your first time to this channel and you want to find out more of what Flags in Focus has to offer, you can conveniently click on this video to understand what you're missing. Be seeing you.